aim is to make beetroot juice, but adding some of these has other benefits. It will make the iron in the beetroot to absorb in your body instead of taking iron supplements. And the cucumber will also keep you hydrated. And the fiber in it will make you fuller. So before going to doctor to complain about low iron, try out beetroot juice first to see magic for yourself. Ginger will also stimulate your digestive enzymes and will also activate the gut, thereby reducing the inflammation. And if you're on a weight loss journey, don't forget to add that ginger into your beetroot. Pineapple will also boost the flavor and it contains a lot of vitamin C. Carrot also contains a lot of vitamin C, beta-carotene, that will make your skin to glow. And adding it pineapple will cover up for the beetroot taste, and it will also make you not to add sugar because the pineapple will help to sweeten the juice. So, but we are not doing it to get like a lot of juice. That's why I'm not using a lot of pineapple or a lot of cucumber, because I want to make this as a shot, ginger beetroot shot. That's why I added a lot of ginger, but you can always reduce the quantity of ginger you're adding. But meanwhile, if you are low in iron, please take beetroot juice, because this beetroot juice makes your blood to flow very well, helps to lower blood pressure, and also optimizes oxygen delivery to your muscles and your tissue. So if you're having inflammatory problem, why not add ginger to your juice? So thank you so much for watching, and after juicing it, I stored it in my short containers. Before taking it, I will shake it and then enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.